The main way they're different is that they have a LCD screen so that everybody can see at the same time. But they also come with a 1 gigabyte SD card, so they can store over 600 digital images. And they can also store up to 20 minutes of video. So obviously, like the older microscopes, they can't take pictures at all. These can take the digital photos. You could also connect these microscopes to their Chromebooks, so they can download the pictures from the SD card to their Chromebooks. And what we've been doing in class today is having them download onto a Google Doc, which is interactive, so the other students can guess what the image is showing. So it's so interactive now, whereas before it was individual.
I was excited because microscopes are really cool because you can see ordinary stuff and they look really different on the microscope.
What was your favorite part about using the microscopes?
I like taking the picture and zooming in on high power because it makes us see what's in a little object.
How much has the grant helped acquiring the microscopes for class?
It's been everything. There's no way we could afford these scopes without the grant. I'm so grateful to the Education Foundation for the grants that they provide us. I mean, this is really priceless that we got this grant this year, and it's going to help a lot of teachers and students.